Jim and Eloy. Nagdig sila. That's the tank. And that's the bananas is growing. The Madre de Agua. The banana I was planting couple months ago is growing, and there's a banana. I don't know if there's some inside on it. It's very skinny. Looks like there's no thingy. And